World's largest Bigfoots. So we are in Keystone at Dahl's Chainsaw Art. And there is the world's largest chainsaw Bigfoot. Oh, it smells so good too. Waving that flag. Woo! Do you want to get a picture by the world's largest Bigfoot?
I like it. It's there. Did Shelby?
I got a picture of Shelby. Is there anything you want to show me?
This is a cute little front of a cabin. The cabin isn't built. Very sturdy. It's cool. The noise that you hear in the background, that's them chainsawing away.
Cool.
Yeah.
Where did Shelby go?
She's right over there.
With your mother?
There's a pirate ship. Yeah. There's a pirate ship. Very out of place here, but very cute. Oh, there's a bear. It's a black bear, and it says
Look at the
"Go
bears,
away."
look at the bears, look at the bears.
Yeah, it has a sign that says "Go away." Very, very crucial sign. There's also a whole bunch of little chairs, and they all have like little signs that say "Jump on."
Yeah.
Which I find adorable.
This place smells amazing. It smells so good.
It's like heroin.
Jordan, what do you think?
Oh, there's a little
He's
buffalo.
carving. You want to come watch?
Let's go look.
There's a little buffalo. And there's an
A water buffalo?
Yeah, he's taking a break.
That's his work area, Shelby. You can't be in that. America. Are you supposed to be climbing on that?
I see people do that.
I can get on.
Hey, Jordan. Shall we get out of the picture for a second? Okay, Jordan. Perfect.
Oh my gosh. Do that again. You're a crazy person.
Out. Shelby, your turn.
She can be my court jester. Here,
Okay, be a gesture.
Aha! Jester's dead.
You can watch him burning the wood too.
Really? Our next stop is going to be Mount Rushmore. And then we're done for the day. Then we go back to Palmer Gulch, to the KOA.
I feel so big. Shelby.
Oh, it smells so good.